Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Fhlwee channel. On this tutorial I will show you how to create a watermark for your image, your photos. If you look at my previous video, it's about how to create watermark for your videos, but this one is for your photo. For this tutorial we will use the website pixlr.com. On your browser, if you go to pixlr.com, you will open the page, and this is the front page, and from here we will go to Pixlr E, and here we will go on the left here for create new. I will click here. I will leave the default size as it is because it's a good size for a desktop image. I'll click and create. Some people, when they open the face first, this page, it comes as a light color like this, but in our tutorial I prefer to use it dark color because we were going to write on white color. Okay, so let us start our tutorial. We need to create a watermark. First, I have something as a camera image. It's art image, as you can see here, this camera. Okay, I will reduce the size this one because it's too large. I will make it like this. Great, put it here. Then I will make, on this layer I will make some lines like this here, and another one on the other side here. Then I will make some circle like this. I will make it like 2. It's fine. I will make this, and okay, and I'll make another one here. If I make another one like this, no, let me put it down a little bit so it's from here like this. Okay, it looks fine, and then I will add some text. It's not full text, but I will add just one letter, is the letter C, which is mean copy. As you can see, I will put this letter inside here. Of course, I will change the font. I need something light like this, not bold, and I will make copy, or I will write another one from the same C for the other side like this. Like this. Okay, now I create the first part of the watermark. Let me add some more lines here. If I go here and I choose the same layer here, and I add one line here and one line here. Okay, now the other one, it's not perfect. Let me redo this one this way. Okay, this is the first part of our watermark. As you can see, all here it's in 4 different layers. I need to bring all together in one layer. For this, I will go to the top here and I will click on select all. Then I will go to layer and I will choose merge visible. As you can see, all become one layer. I unlock it by double click here, and this is the first part of our watermark. Now I need to do some duplicates. I'll come in these 3 white dots here, I'll click here, and I'll go on the bottom here, and I'll choose duplicate layer. It duplicate this layer or everything. Okay, I'll come here, I'll remove this one here, put it in the sides, and I will click here to duplicate again. So I duplicate from this one, take this one and put it in the other side. Okay, again we have 3 different layers. I need to bring all in one layer. As we did in the last step, we go again to select, click select all, go to layer and choose merge visible. Again, all become in one layer. Unlock it by double click on the lock here. Now this image, I need to duplicate everything. So I'll go again to these 3 dots here and duplicate image, and I'll take the second image down this way. Okay, like this, and I will do it again and duplicate this one and take it from this, go to the top like this. Okay, once again we have 3 different layers. We need to bring all together in one layer. Again we will go to select all, then we go to layer and merge visible. All become in one single layer, as you can see. Okay, before I go any further, I want to show you something. Before I put this in any image or something, I need to save it on my desktop, my computer, or whatever machine you use. I will click here on file, save, and make sure save as PNG, because if it's JPG, I will show you how it looks like. Look, it's white background with a white text. You will not see anything. It must be with transparent background, PNG, like this. Okay, and here I will save this image. I will say watermark PNG, and I save it, download it. Okay, now let me bring an image and to put this watermark on the image to see how it will look like. I will go for something completely new. I will go file, new image, so forget the last one, and we'll open new image here. I'll click and create. I will bring the image. I will go to layer, add image as a layer, and I will choose this one. This image. Okay, I will put it here, and I will resize the image. Bring this one here a little bit like this, and the bottom one like this. Okay, this is the image. Now I need to add the watermark on top of this image. For example, if I take a shot this photo and I need to claim my copyright for this image, it's mine and nobody else can use it. For this, I will go back to here on layer. I will add image as a layer, and you bring the you remember the watermark we made it earlier, this one. Double click here, it comes to see, as you can see. But actually this watermark, it damaged the original photo. It come on top of it, it's very visible and it doesn't look nice. For this, I will go to these 3 dots here. I'll click here and I will go here from 100. I will put it down to 10, 11, 12. Yes, 11. It's fine. Let us see. Yes, it looks perfect. And you still have to choose this layer like this, or you can rotate it this way. As you can see, you can rotate the watermark image because it's separate image. I think this is better. It looks better like this. What do you think? It's good? Okay, we leave it like this. So now we add a watermark. Something very important for your security. If you save the image like this and then you upload the image online, this image actually it's 3 different layers, not one. 3 different layers. I can remove the bottom layer like this. It wouldn't make any difference because it's the image it's coming on top of it. For the file size, it's better if you delete this because the file size will be less. Okay, now we still have 2 layers. Let me delete this one completely. Now we have 2 layers, the picture and the watermark. If you upload this on the internet, on social site or whatever site, online there is many programs can separate the layers and can remove the watermark, because the watermark it's in a separate layer. For this reason we need to do something. We did it early. If you remember, we need to bring this 2 layer in 1 layer, 1 single layer. You remember, we go to select all, and we'll go to layer and merge visible. Look what will happen. Both they become 1 single layer. What does that mean? It means anyone will try to remove this watermark, he must remove part of the picture itself. He cannot remove it. He cannot. Nobody can separate it because it's only 1 layer. Both all together, it's 1 picture. If anyone try to remove the watermark from the picture, he will damage the original picture. Now you are sure your picture, whatever the image you have, you put your name. Of course, you can change this. You can put your name or your website or your logo or whatever you like to do. And for this, you will be sure no one else can claim a copyright in your own image. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any comment, please write it to me, and please subscribe to the channel, and I hope I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.